Since Mastercam 2017, you could change the appearance of solid, mesh, and surface models to metallic, plastic, or glossy. In Mastercam 2019, these have been replaced by a range of metal, plastic, and glass attributes that can be applied to the entire model or individual entities. Toggle the material display on the View tab. This can only be applied in shaded or outline shaded modes. After selecting material, any solids, surfaces, or meshes displayed in the current graphics window will be rendered as the respective material. The default material is metallic. You can change the active material from the Set Material drop-down on the Home tab. The Set Material drop-down is also available on the Mini toolbar, accessed through the Graphics window right-click menu. Each material has 7 levels, from transparent to opaque. Select the entire model or individual entities and then choose a material and level from the Set Material drop-down. You can also set the material when creating a stock model on the Stock Definition page. The new material attributes are saved within the part file and give you more flexibility to achieve a more realistic appearance.